Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show how I reduced hair fall with two simple ingredients. So if you want to know how I did it, then please keep on watching. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload. The first ingredient is this castor oil by Soulflower. It's cold pressed and it's amazing. You guys have to try this. I'm going to mix this with almond oil because I'm not a huge fan of coconut oil, but if you like coconut oil, you can go ahead. But I prefer almond oil over coconut oil any day. I'm not going to use any heat on these oils because it's cold pressed. I don't want to change the property of the oil. So I'm going to mix equal proportions and then apply it on the scalp of my hair and then along the length of my hair. Use the tips of your fingers to give a good massage to the scalp and then run your fingers through the hair to gently spread it all over. And make sure that you're not too rough, just be gentle and give a good massage. Once you're done with the massage, just tie your hair up and leave it on for 60 minutes minimum. If you don't have a time constraint, then go ahead and leave it for 3 to 4 hours. It's a really good conditioner and it's going to leave your hair soft and silky. I'm going to leave it on for 60 minutes. After 60 minutes, go ahead and wash it off with your regular shampoo and conditioner and you should be left with silky, smooth, voluminous hair. So this is how my air dried hair looks and I'm really happy because my hair fall is reduced drastically, I'd say about 80%, and not only for me, it's worked for my friends, my sisters, my cousins and so many others. So go ahead guys, just try this amazing castor oil by Soulflower and you will be surprised with the results and you'll never ever get back to any other treatment for hair fall. So that's it for this video. I hope you all liked it. If you do, then don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Until next time, bye bye.